When it comes to bragging rights, Texas has never been bashful about touting virtually everything about the Lone Star State, including its geography, people, business, and more. Now Texas has something new to brag about. It's the home of the world's first natural stone company to achieve certification that its products meet new standards for sustainability, which has become very important to architects, builders, and owners. That company is Texas Stone Quarries, a 19-year-old company in Garden City, near Midland, Odessa, whose quality limestone products are sold across America. Texas Stone earned certification from the Natural Stone Council of Hollis, New Hampshire. NSC recently unveiled ANSI NSC 373 Sustainable Production of Natural Dimension Stone, a set of tough new standards ensuring that stone is quarried and fabricated according to strict environmental, safety, and energy efficiency protocols. NSC, which is made up of 12 industry-related trade associations, announced that 6 Texas stone quarries were awarded gold-level certification, and that its Allied fabrication plant won silver certification. Owner and General Manager Brenda Edwards began the certification process nearly a year ago, while NSC 373 was in the final stages of a 5-year development program. Aware that the architectural community was pressing for such a program so it could compare natural dimension stone with other building materials, she volunteered to become a pioneering company in the certification process. Certification included assembling a massive amount of paper records to substantiate its sustainability performance, and an on-site inspection by a third-party verifier, NSF International of Ann Arbor, Michigan. You might ask yourself why natural stone, man's oldest building material, needed to prove itself after a well-documented legacy which includes some of the world's most important buildings. There's been no question about its beauty, versatility, and durability. The architectural community wanted documentation of its sustainability. Such is life in material supplied in today's green building era. In the case of stone quarriers and fabricators, the NSC 373 sustainability package levels the playing field between stone products like granite, marble, limestone, sandstone, travertine, and other stones, and a myriad of other building products.
The whole world is looking at the environmental issues out there, and this addresses the environmental, the social, the health, everything. And it will make a big difference.
And what it means to the companies, the fabricators, the quarriers, and all of this, it makes us better producers, it makes us better fabricators, because it provides an opportunity for us to do a little self-introspection and looking at how we do what we do and doing it better.
The standards cover virtually every facet of quarrying and fabrication operations and documentation of past and present performance. It includes water usage and recycling, handling and transportation of the material, how quarrying sites and fabrication plants are managed, reclamation of land after quarries are closed, energy usage and conservation, management of excess process materials and waste, safer chemical and materials management, human and health considerations, and corporate governance. There are 4 levels of certification for quarries and fabrication facilities: bronze, silver, gold, and platinum. There are 18 different requirements for NSC 373 with a total of 41 points. Achieving the minimum number of points gets bronze certification, 41 points, and the level is platinum. Companies can upgrade to the various levels by improving their performance on various facets of operation. Companies must be recertified every 4 years. Realizing that sustainability certification can be a competitive edge, NSC says it has a number of other companies in the pipeline working toward becoming among the first to achieve the new standards. Certified companies can apply the appropriate genuine stone, bronze, silver, gold, and platinum seals to individual blocks, slabs, finished pieces, etc., or use them in promotional activities if they utilize NSF International as the third-party certifier. Edwards, whose firm recently supplied limestone for the new George W. Bush Library and Museum in Dallas, says sustainability certification is now a fact of life in the industry, and she welcomes the competition.
If you're going to sell to the architectural community, you're going to have to to conform to this standard.
For further information on NSC 373, contact Duke Pointer. Duke Pointer at naturalstonecouncil.org.